Welcome to Hakim Saab channel. In this channel, I give you information about natural and Unani medicine. Viewers, making a diet plan is very complex and difficult task for everyone. Calculating calories, various types of nutrients, their names, which food to eat and which not to eat is quite confusing. Let's make it easy for you. I will tell you 10 rules to follow so you can make your diet plan easily. Either you want to control your weight, preventing yourself from health problems like diabetes, blood pressure, cancer, or fighting with these problems. These rules will help you a lot, definitely. They are easy to understand for everyone. So please watch this video till end. Viewers, I am a certified Unani and natural medicine practitioner and I am practicing medicine for last 20 years. Aim of this channel is to share my knowledge and experience with you. So please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so you can get the notifications of my videos. Let's come back to the topic and see what these diet rules are. Rule number 1. Make a healthy plate. According to nutrition experts of Harvard, for every main meal you should divide your plate into 3 portions, 1/2 and 2/4 portions. Size of the plate should be 9 inches for adults and 7 inches for children. In half plate portion you should have vegetables and fruits. In 1/4 plate, whole grains, whole wheat, barley, wheat berries, oats, brown rice, and foods made from these grains like whole wheat pasta. In second and last quarter plate, protein food like fish, poultry, beans, and nuts. Remember, you should take 2 to 3 meals a day, depending on how foodie you are. Now rule number 2. Eat colorful plant-based foods. Question may arise, how much and which plant food should I eat? Well, depending on the physical condition of the person, every adult should eat 500 grams to 1 kg of plant-based food daily and 20 to 30 varieties weekly. It means you have to eat at least 3 or more than 3 plant food daily. So make your meal colorful and healthy by combining 5 color types of plant foods in every meal. In red, you can have red apples, cherries, radishes, tomatoes. In dark green, you can have green grapes, peas, cucumber, broccoli, spinach. In yellow and light green, avocado, bananas, lemons, cabbage, cauliflower. In orange, carrots, oranges, pumpkins, sweet potatoes. In purple, beets, onions, currants, and plums. You can find the longer list of 5 color type plant food at my blog. Link is in the description. Rule number 3. Don't eat food which increase glucose levels rapidly. Food like white sugar, potatoes, refined grain flour, white bread, white rice, processed sweet beverages like soda drinks can increase glucose levels rapidly. So don't use them, or at least use them as low as possible. Instead, eat foods which don't increase glucose levels rapidly but sweet and high in carbohydrates like apples, watermelons, beets, carrots, popcorn, and brown rice. Rule number 4. Use animal-based food less. Various research studies indicated that animal-based food increase the risk of infectious diseases, heart problems, cholesterol, diabetes, and even cancer. I'm not saying to abandon animal food totally. We humans are omnivores and our digestive system from teeth to intestine is designed to digest both animal and plant food. Plus, the animal protein and animal fats are also important for our body. What I'm trying to say is to use animal-based food, red meat, farm fish, poultry, milk, eggs as less as possible. and avoid processed meat products such as nuggets and sausages. Rule number 5. Be cautious about oils and fats in your food. Don't use refined cooking oils at all for cooking, like corn or soy. Instead, use healthy oils like olive, canola, or mustard. My recommendation: olive oil is the best, especially for cholesterol patients. In addition, don't eat fat-rich foods too much, like beef, animal foods, and dairy foods. Rule number 6. Sodium is bad, potassium is good. Due to regular use of salt in our food, mostly our sodium to potassium mineral ratio is very high, which increase the risk of blood pressure, cholesterol, and cancer. So, use salt as less as possible and try to use fruits and vegetables like bananas, apricots, grapefruit, prunes, raisins, spinach, broccoli, mushrooms, peas, cucumbers, which are rich in potassium. Rule number 7. Beware of germs, pesticides, and harmful chemicals. Germs and chemicals like pesticides and heavy metals are harmful to health, so try to avoid them. It's good practice to clean food with water before eating. For vegetables and fruits, add 2 tablespoons of baking soda in 1.5 liter of water. Then soak fruits and vegetables in it for 12 to 15 minutes. Now drain the water and rinse the food. This will clean all the pesticides of fruits and vegetables. Besides cleaning the foods, also keep utensils and other kitchenware clean. Do not forget to wash and sanitize your hands before making and serving food. Don't eat too much of the food which have tendency to concentrate pesticides such as animal fats, meat, eggs, cheese, milk, and farm fish. Rule number 8. Check the label for ingredients. For flavor, color, preservation, or even just to increase the number of nutrients, food companies add many food additives in food products. Usually, these additives are not very good for health. That's why you should follow these simple points which Michael Pollan mentioned in his bestseller books in defense of food. Avoid food products containing ingredients that are unfamiliar, unpronounceable, more than 5 in numbers, and include high fructose corn syrup. Rule number 9. Food quality is equal to good health. Quality of food is very important. Avoid contaminated, expired, rotten, or dirty foods and beverages. It's better not to eat anything if you feel suspicious about it. Rule number 10. Don't forget to drink water. Every living being needs water to survive. Our body contains approximately 40 liters of water. Every person should drink 1.5 liter to 3 liters water daily, depending on how fast he or she dehydrates. Factors which can dehydrate a person are exercise, hot weather, diuretics, and use of coffee and tea. Remember to drink pure and clean water. Lastly, I want to add an optional rule to the list: intermittent fasting. This last rule is optional, but for those who want to lose weight should follow this rule. Intermittent fasting, instead of what you eat, focus on when you eat. There are many types of it, but in my opinion 16:8 hours is much better. For this, you can eat between 8 hours window, 2 to 3 full meals, obviously according to the rules I already mentioned, and if you want, you can have snacks too. But after this eating session, fasting time for 16 hours will start. During this time, you can drink only water or light healthy beverages. This type of fasting will not only reduce your weight but also helps your body to detox. This type of fasting has many benefits, but be careful if you have diabetes or low blood pressure, or you are taking medicine to reduce glucose and blood pressure. you are lean or underweight, you have chronic digestion problem like ulcer, IBS, and those women who are pregnant or breastfeeding or having problems like amenorrhea or infertility. All the information of this video is also available at my blog. In case you need it, link is in the description. Please tell me in the comments which plant-based food you like most. Hope you liked the video, so please subscribe my channel, like the video, comment on it, share it, and don't forget to click the bell icon. Stay healthy and happy. Thanks and salam.